All right, here we are with 3 cameras. What do you think? Trying to get the noise out of each of them. A couple people looking at me, but you know, what are you gonna do, right? So just trying to figure out which one's the most noisy. Can't really tell. So we'll let history decide. But here's the view. There's old Johnny. I think. So we're getting this one. Just wondering what the what the sound is like it on here. And yeah, coming back to this one. John's over there. I don't know if you can hear what he's saying, but we got 3 cameras, 3 sounds. Which one do you think is going to work the best?
Let's see. This one looks, is this the newest one? No.
That's the newest one, yeah.
Yeah, I think this one is.
This is the newest one, but I got this whole microphone set up on this one. So I don't know. Kind of, we'll see what happens. Yeah, alright. Well, that's all I needed to do for this. I got 3. I'm doing a little sound setup. Thanks, sir. Al's, how is it? How's the water? Oh, did you got in there? Oh, you alright? You want to dry off? Okay, we'll get you some sound. We'll get you, hold on. There's a thing right there, Al. Towel's right there. So yeah. So here they are. See which one sounds the best between the 3. I do not know. I